Hi everyone. Today on FIXBOND, we are building a custom, high-capacity fat battery for the DJI Air 3 drone to boost its flight time directly to the absolute max. The main goal of this project is to successfully modify the battery so the drone can hover and fly in the air for over 50 minutes straight. To achieve this ultimate battery life, we are using a premium 7200 mAh high-rate cell. The most critical step here is precisely welding the positive and negative electrodes under perfect insulation. After the custom hardware assembly is complete, we connect the battery to a computer to rewrite and verify the live chip data parameters. Once the numbers look flawless, we safely package the housing, and a beast of an extended life drone battery is officially born. That is the core summary of this custom modification. If you just wanted to know the cell capacity and the process, your answer is right here. But if you want to watch the complete, dangerous, step-by-step spot welding and circuit debugging process,